Right now, I'm really feeling sad and I'm hurt because all this that happened within 5 hours. The building been up for multiple years before I was born, and it took seconds for this building to be demolished. My name is Michael Williams, and I live on Willoughby Avenue practically all my life. And this is a great block. 1962, I was in the Cub Scouts. And this building, 441 Willoughby, was our hometown, our home base for the Cub Scouts. 1962, I was only 10 years old. It's just, now it's gone. Within a second. Now we're looking at an empty lot. For how many years? 4 years, 5 years? And then the developer probably is going to sell it to another developer. That's another 5 years. So there's multiple problems.